Now that we've defined AI and what we are up against when it comes to human brain, let's explore the key types of AI that are currently recognized in the field. AI can be categorized into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. First, we have narrow AI, which is the most common form of AI in use today. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task or a set of related tasks. It's called narrow because it operates under a limited or narrow range of conditions. Examples of narrow AI include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa and recommendation systems used by platforms like Netflix or Amazon. These systems are highly effective within their specific domains but cannot operate outside of them. Next, we move to general AI, which is also known as strong AI or human-level AI. General AI refers to a hypothetical type of AI that possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. This means it would have the capacity to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks, much like a human. While general AI is a goal for many researchers, we're still far from achieving it. Finally, there's super AI, which goes beyond even general AI. Super AI is theoretical and represents an intelligence that surpasses human intelligence across all domains. It would be capable of not only performing tasks that humans can do, but doing them better and faster, with greater accuracy. Super AI remains purely speculative at this point, and there's considerable debate over whether it will ever be possible or desirable. Currently, we are at the stage of narrow AI, but we are gradually progressing towards general AI. Understanding these types helps us grasp where we are today with AI and where we might be headed in the future. For now, most of the AI we interact with daily is narrow AI, but the concepts of general and super AI guide much of the ongoing research and discussion in the field.